Hello everyone, hope you all are having a good time. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, today I am here to take your English text. In this we will revise chapter 6, The Men Cub. Okay, let's start. This story is set in a jungle. So, this story is set in a jungle. It tells us how a human baby comes and lives with all animals in jungle. So, it tells us how a human baby comes and live with all the animals of jungle, how he survives with them. Okay. It was a quiet evening and wolf family was resting. So, it was a quiet evening in the jungle and wolf family was resting in their cave with 4 cubs. So, how many cubs are there? There are 4 cubs. At that time, they heard tiger's angry roar. So, at that time what they heard? Tiger's angry roar. And what is the name of the tiger in this story? Sher Khan. Okay. At that time, Mother Wolf said that I wonder what made him so angry. Suddenly, a tiny human baby crawled out of the bushes. So, they reached the mouth of the cave and there they see a tiny human baby crawling out of the bushes. Okay. Mother Wolf leaped forward and said to Sher Khan, the man's cub is mine. Now go away. So, here Mother Wolf is very angry because Sher Khan wants to kill the baby and Mother Wolf is very happy with baby. She wants to save the baby, she wants to protect the baby, and that's why she said the man's cub is mine. Now go away. Father Wolf said the cub must be shown to the pack. So, Father Wolf is discussing with Mother Wolf that the cub must be shown to the pack and then they will decide that the cub can live with us or not. Human baby was named Mowgli. So, human baby was named Mowgli. He was named Mowgli. By whom? By Mother Wolf. Okay. That night, Wolf family, Bagheera, Baloo along with Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. So, Wolf family, Bagheera, Baloo the brown bear along with Mowgli stood in front of wolves of the jungle and their leader of the wolf pack asked everybody that can human baby live with us? So, what is the answer? Let us see. The wolves agreed to let the baby be a part of the wolf pack. So, everybody is very happy to accept the baby, to be the part of their wolf pack, and their Bagheera and Baloo are happy to teach them all about jungle. Okay children, now we will revise our book work. So children, open page number 48. Question A, tick the correct option. Number 1, when Mowgli saw Father Wolf and Mother Wolf for the first time, he, options are started crying, laughed, played with some rocks. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option B, laughed. Children, put tick in the box in front of option B, laughed. Number 2, Sher Khan wanted to, options are kill Mowgli, live with Mowgli, return Mowgli to his human parents. So, what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option A, kill Mowgli. Put tick in front of option A. Number 3, Mowgli was named by, options are his human parents, the wolf pack, Mother Wolf. Correct option is option C, Mother Wolf. Put tick in front of option C. Number 4, which 2 animals spoke to let Mowgli be a part of the wolf pack? Options are option A, Father Wolf and Mother Wolf. Option B, the leader of the wolf pack. Option C, Bagheera the panther and Baloo the bear. So, correct option is option C, Bagheera the panther and Baloo the bear. So, put tick here, okay. Now, open page number 49, question B. Which of these are true about baby Mowgli? Tick all correct answers. So, some sentences are given to you. You have to read them and tell which one is correct for baby Mowgli. Okay, let us read. Option A, Mowgli got easily scared. Option B, Mowgli was a happy child. Option C, Mowgli missed his parents. Option D, Mowgli was not afraid of anyone. So, correct sentences for Mowgli are option B, Mowgli was a happy child. Yes, he was a very happy child. And option D, Mowgli was not afraid of anyone. He was not afraid of anyone. He always smiled. Now, children, open page number 54. Complete 3 lines each about these characters from the story. So, children, you have to complete the lines about different characters of the story. So, let us see. Number 1, Mowgli. Mowgli is a human baby. Who is Mowgli? Mowgli is a human baby. Number 2, he will live with the dash. So, Mowgli will live with the answer is the wolf family. Number 3, he is dash. So, he is a happy baby. Mowgli is a happy baby. Okay. Now, we will read about Sher Khan. Sher Khan is a tiger. He is angry. Okay. He wants to kill Mowgli. Okay. So, Sher Khan is a tiger and he is very angry because mother wolf and father wolf are not ready to give baby Mowgli to him. He wants to kill Mowgli. Okay. Now, we will read about mother wolf. Okay. Mother wolf has 4 cubs. She is not afraid of Sher Khan. Yes, she is not afraid of Sher Khan. That's why she leaped forward and tell him to go away. She gives Mowgli his name. Who named Mowgli? Mother wolf. So, she gives Mowgli his name. Okay. Now, children, we will revise copywork. First, we will revise new words of this chapter. Number 1, R-O-A-R, roar. Number 2, C-R-A-W-L-E-D, crawled. Number 3, L-E-A-P-E-D, leaped. Number 4, G-R-O-W-L-E-D, growled. Number 5, A-G-R-E-E-D, agreed, W-I-T-H, with, agreed with. Number 6, W-O-L-V-E-S, wolves. Okay. Now, we will revise word meaning. Number 1 is forward. Meaning of forward is to the front. Number 2, grabbed. Meaning of grabbed is took strongly. Okay. Number 3 is tiny. Meaning of tiny is very small. Okay. Now, kids, we will revise make sentences. Number 1 is around. There is a fence around my house. Underline the word around. Okay. Now, number 2, angry. She got very angry with the children. Underline the word angry. Number 3, parents. We should obey our parents. Kids, underline the word parents. Okay. Now, we will revise, answer the questions. Question 1 is, why was Sher Khan the tiger angry? Answer is, Sher Khan the tiger was angry because he couldn't find the human baby. Why is Sher Khan angry? Because he couldn't find the human baby. Okay. Now, question 2. According to Sher Khan, what happened to Mowgli's parents? Answer is, according to Sher Khan, Mowgli's parents had run away. So, what happened to Mowgli's parents? Mowgli's parents had run away. Okay, children? Now, question 3. Why did Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decide to keep Mowgli? Answer is, Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decided to keep Mowgli because they wanted to save him from Sher Khan. So, why did Father Wolf and Mother Wolf decide to keep Mowgli? Because they wanted to save him from Sher Khan. Okay, children? Now, we will revise some new words of this chapter. Okay, look at the board. First word is C-U-B, cub. C-A-V-E, cave. G-R-A-B-B-E-D, grabbed. G-R-O-W-L-E-D, growled. L-E-A-P-E-D, leaped. Forward. F-O-R-W-A-R-D, leaped forward. Okay. W-O-L-F, wolf. Okay, children, these are the words. Now, I hope children you have understood well with me, you have revised well with me. Thank you.